Missionary Portuguese lesson 14. We're going to talk about how to use the verb to go to express future tense. Okay, so first we need to conjugate the verb to go. So the verb to go is actually ir in Portuguese. And here are the conjugations. Eu, which is I, is eu vou. Eu vou. Then there's você vai, which is you go. And then ele vai, he goes. Ela vai, she goes. When we do the to form, we just add the S to the end like almost any other verb. Tu vais. And then when we use the plural form, we say vão. And the squiggly above the A means that it's nasal. Vão. So that would be vocês vão. Eles vão. Elas vão. So elas vão is the girls go or the women go. The guys go or they all go. Y'all go. And then also você, ele, ela, and you could also use o senhor, because remember, we can use this o senhor to say you, and then a senhora. A senhora, okay? We can use o senhor to express you to a person who is older than us, okay? O senhor, or as a way of respectful way of saying you as well, okay? Now, how do we use this to express the future? So we talked about up here how the future, for example, using the verb abençoar, to say I will bless is eu abençoarei. You just add ei to the full verb, to the infinitive, including the R. Eu te abençoarei. I will bless you. Você abençoará. Tu abençoarás. Ela abençoará. Nós abençoaremos. Eles abençoarão. Okay, you just do the infinitive, and just add those endings to it. But instead of doing that, let's use the verb, okay, future to bless, right? Or no, actually, let's just go like this way. Future, all you do is you use the to go in the present plus the infinitive, which is basically just the verb. So if we look at a few verbs, for example, the verb here's one, I will go. I will go. Okay? Eu vou ir, because ir is the infinitive for to go, right? And you can do that with any verb that you're learning. He will study, right? Ele vai, he will study. Ele vai estudar. So, they will be happy, okay? They will be happy. Eles vão, and then the verb to be, there's two of them, ser and estar. Eles vão, but you don't have to worry about it. Well, you do have to worry about it. Eles vão, and then you use estar, you just use the infinitive. Instead of a permanent state, we're going to say at the moment they will be happy. Eles vão estar, and then happy. Well, the word for happy is feliz. Felizes. Eles vão estar felizes. They will be happy. We say the S here because it's plural. We say the S there because it's plural, eles, right? Because you have the S here as well. You have to put the S here as well, okay? So you need to memorize the verb to go because you'll use this verb to communicate future tense in most cases rather than just speak in the future. Eu vou andar instead of eu andarei, right? He will go. Ele, instead of saying ele irá, you add the A to the IR, you would say ele vai ir. So, okay? So learn how to practice using the verb to go with the infinitive, whatever the verb is, to say that you're going to do that verb in the future. And that's it.